afternoon, Mirabelle members. I am standing in the fitness center where we are racing to the finish line for completion. We have just a few more details to complete in this area, including the installation of the mirrors, which will take place early next week. The following week, the equipment will arrive and we will begin install. We will keep you posted on when we can open. We have a big fire inspection on Monday, December 7th. We are hoping at that time to gain temporary occupancy of the building so that we can begin to operate the spaces as they are turned over by A.R. Mays. And now for your weekly construction update. Finishing touches have been applied throughout the ladies' locker room. Window treatments have been hung in the men's massage room. Carpeting has been laid throughout the entire dining area. The Sweetheart booths have been installed in the formal dining room. Bench seating has been installed in the casual dining area. Matt has begun restocking the renovated wine room. Special ambient lighting fixtures have been placed at the server station entrance. Carpeting and millwork has been installed in the new private dining room. Millwork and tile are being installed in the new bar. Millwork is being constructed in the fitness center reception area. Carpeting, baseboards, and lighting fixtures have been installed throughout the new fitness center. The water and fire feature at the front entrance has been completed. We will continue to keep you posted on our progress. As always, please log into our live cameras on the Mirabelle website.